2022 Honda Passport Release Date, Sport, Review. The Eastern marketplace is waiting around for the most recent 2022 Honda Passport. Any approaching Honda Passport is anticipated to have a selection of notable changes. The brand new Passport should really turn out to be an excellent midsize SUV amongst its workable marketplace. Probably the most interesting study of your new Passport is actually its performance, which is likely to become more capable than just before. It pertains to any off-road traveling features of your approaching Passport. Furthermore, it must have a far more contemporary exterior along with design way too. 2022 Honda Passport Redesign. Exterior Design. The concept for 2022 Honda Passport is actually a two-row SUV that mixes the design involving Honda CR-V in addition to Pilot. It can be developed effectively to be a sportier Passport as compared to well before. But, some claimed that this new Passport can look mainly such as the latest Pilot, having a smaller sizing. Exactly what makes the latest Passport sportier regarding design is its windowpane location that is certainly adjusted to accomplish this appear. Additionally, it would keep on its 20 inches wheelbase and its distinctive exterior styles. Total, you may expect a 2022 Passport to check suppler than well before. Irrespective of the update on their outer look, 2022 Passport must be far more famous for its interior. It is because the latest Passport should undoubtedly end up being the most desirable middle of the sizing automobile in today's industry because of its roomiest and effectively prepared interior. Interior Design. If you are taking any Honda Passport 2022 review into mind, the interior of the current design 12 months has already been spacious and hassle-free. But, the significant likelihood is the forthcoming Passport would have a much better interior as being an improvement for this particular existing design 12 months. This future Passport should be able to allow for as much as 5 various tourists with enjoyable driving vehicle activities. About devices, you ought to wait around for its superior quality components for sure. You have to have a variety of bundles accessible to prepare your 2022 Passport. Then, how will the features be available from a 2022 Passport? In this particular magnificent interior, indeed, it is possible to enjoy a variety of features that will help you benefit from driving a practical car experience. You may expect high-quality natural leather substance for your better trims in the new Passport. Additionally, you must anticipate the heated-up front and back chairs in this particular 2022 Honda Passport. Right now, there could be potential flexible front door car seats with manageable warmed-up features, particularly in the higher trims. These kinds of features can make a 2022 Passport much cozier. 2022 Honda Passport Engine. Just before discussing the particular 2022 Honda Passport release date, let us start working on a powertrain specification. Rumors claimed that the impending Passport is going to be furnished with the same 3.5L V6 engine precisely like its original specification. What this means is it may generate 280 HP. Furthermore, a 9-rate auto gearbox is predicted to turn into a few brand new Passport engines. This engine is prone to feature Honda's most up-to-date all-wheel press technique referred to as IVTM4. Yet, this kind of technology may be easily obtainable in the most notable level of Passport. Featuring its outstanding specification, the brand new Passport needs to be competent to take 4,000 pounds or maybe more. This simply means a 2022 Passport handles like a more magnificent automobile than the others when it comes to this class. This particular attribute will offer something clean for Honda's middle-of-sizing SUV fanatics. About shows, the approaching Passport is noted to arrive at typically 25 miles per gallon in virtually any location. Because of the accessibility of the AWD function, the middle-of-sizing SUV might have to excite a long way. All round, the brand new Passport should undoubtedly provide you with excellent performance. 2022 Honda Passport release date and price. Through taking the actual 2022 Honda Passport price into consideration, this Honda Passport 2022 may well be a good option because it is more recent and meant to possess a roomier cabin. Even though the engine has a tendency to carry on the same, the interior in the forthcoming Passport must escalate its allure. So, just how much may be the price with this impending Honda Passport? Taking into consideration a lot more upgrades and improvements into the future, a 2022 Passport might cost a lot more than the last version. The bottom type of the brand new Passport might require close to $33,000.
One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two.